Hello everyone, welcome back to How Logical. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to redeem your Target gift card online. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by opening your web browser first, and then go to the search box and type in www.target.com and press the enter. Now, sign into your account if necessary. Since I've already signed in, this is my home screen of Target. In order to redeem your gift card, go and click on your profile and click on Gift Cards. Now, from this page, go and click on Save a New Gift Card and then type in your card number in the first text field. After you're done, go to the next field and type in your access number and click on Add. After you do that, you'll be able to add or redeem a gift card on Target. With this, you can go ahead and make a variety of purchases online. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. I hope you learned how to do it. If you liked the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.